the next few minutes, we will learn how to create colors, manage design images, and add fonts to use in our website. During the template building process, we created colors as we needed them according to the sketches that were defined. When a property of color type, whether it's a text color or a background color, is edited from the page designer, this dialog box shows the colors created. Also, from there we can create, edit, and delete colors. The website's color palette is centrally managed from the Colors option from the GX Portal design tool. All the various actions related to colors can be performed from there. If we change the definition of a color, this change will be reflected everywhere the color is used. We will create the background color that will be used in the contact page. In these sketches, the colors are defined using their hexadecimal values. We enter the color's hexadecimal value and description. Alternatively, we could have created the color by entering its RGB value or by selecting it from the color palette available. After clicking Save, the color is created. Throughout the website creation process, we recommend using descriptive names for elements such as images, colors, channels, and everything else. This will make the website easier to maintain as the number of elements is increased. We would also like to offer another suggestion. Even though you can create the colors as you need them, for example, if you're adding a text and the color to show it has not been created yet, you can create it at that moment. But you'll surely find it helpful to first create all the colors, upload all the images, and define all the fonts so that you have everything necessary when you start to build the pages. All design images are centrally managed from the Images and Animations option of the GX Portal design tool. Just like colors, images can be uploaded as needed from the Properties dialog. In a previous video, we uploaded the logo that's displayed on the website template. It's possible to upload a group of images in a single step. We will upload all the images that will be shown in an image slider on the website homepage. We indicate the path to the images, select all the images to upload, and then confirm. The list of images that will be uploaded is displayed. If we don't want to upload a certain image, we remove it from the list. Clicking on the Upload button transfers all the selected images to the website, where they will be made available. For each image, its format, dimensions, and weight are provided. Clicking on the image details will show an image preview on the right. Also, the actions that can be performed on it will be enabled. For example, edit the image details, delete it, open the image designer, and other actions that you can explore. Now let's see the contact page that we want to create during this course. In the contact form, the Send Message button is an image that changes according to the language used in the website. This will happen in websites available in more than one language, or with images that contain text. Now let's see how we can upload an image that changes according to the language used. From the Upload Image option, we set the image that will change according to the language. Then, the file for each language in which the website is available will be requested. Just like we explained when we uploaded the logo, if no description is entered for the image, its name will be used without the file extension. GX Portal will show an image depending on the language in which the website is displayed. All fonts are managed from the Font Types option of the Design tool. So far, we've been using the fonts available on the website. Even just a few years ago, there were very few fonts available to build a website. Only the fonts that were installed by default on PCs were able to be used. They were called secure fonts, and they included fonts like Arial, Georgia, Times New Roman, Verdana, and a few more. The problem didn't end there, because the fonts available varied with the operating system. Later, it would depend on the tablets and mobile phones used. Today, there's a standard, high-quality font type for developing websites, called font face, or web fonts. To use this font type, all we have to do is install it on our server. The server provides the fonts that we need to use, and then the browser is responsible for displaying them correctly. So, how do we add a web font in GX Portal? It's very easy. We create a new font type, indicate that it's a web font, enter a name for it, and upload all the font files in different formats. There are several websites that contain free font repositories available for download. Also, there are many tools on the web that allow you to use a web font to obtain the other formats. The TTF format is used by some browser versions. But in general, the WOFF and EOT formats are enough for any browser. The SVG format is used by the iPhone and the iPad. We can also use Google Web Fonts. It's a free service that allows you to choose from a large collection of web fonts. To have them displayed on our website, we need an internet connection. If you're building an intranet that won't have internet access, you shouldn't use these fonts. In this case, web fonts can be used. So how do we add a Google Web Font in GX Portal? It's a very quick and easy process. First, we go to google.com/webfonts. Next, we look for the font we like and click on the Quick Use option. Different styles are shown for the selected font. We choose the style and character set we want. The code that we need to add this Google Web Font to GX Portal will now be displayed. In GX Portal, we create a new font type, we indicate that it's a Google Web Font, we enter a name for it, and copy the code corresponding to the selected font and style. After we confirm, the Google Web Font will be available to use on our website. Now let's return to the preview of the website we're building. We will indicate that both the main menu and the language menu use the web font that we've uploaded to the website. We will design the template from the design option of the Site Map tool. Also, we set all the sectors and select the main menu. We return to the Properties dialog, and in the Options group of properties, we change the value of the font property. When a font is added to our website, it'll be made available in all the font type properties. Now we select the Language menu GX Portlet and open the Properties dialog. In the Options group of properties, we set a new value for the font property. Now we refresh the preview and see the new font that we've added. In this video, we learned how to manage a website's colors, images, and fonts in a centralized manner. In the next video, we will see how to add an image slider and its main properties.